Good afternoon. So I wanted to take a second. I was actually running some data for a project I'm working on, and I thought I would record this and show you guys a cool little quick tip on how to take your LinkedIn contacts and export them as Excel sheet. So you have your Excel, you go here, go to Me, and you're going to go to Settings and Privacy. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to Get a Copy of Your Data. Hit Change. Now, I actually did this already, which is why it's all blocked out, but essentially, you could choose between articles, your imported contacts, which are the contacts that you put from your email or your phone into LinkedIn, invitations, recommendations, connections. Connections are what I'm using for this sample. These are all the people that you're connected to. Messages, profile, and registration. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on connections, and it will allow you, then ask you to click OK, and it will send you an email. Obviously, I've already done this, so you see you get the email, your data is ready, you click the link, it brings you back here to download. Obviously, I already clicked to download. And so what that does is it opens up a file. So you got downloads, and you'll see the download file right here, connections. You can open up the file. Now, I will say, note that when you do get this file, you'll see not everybody has an email. Some people, when they do their LinkedIn, they actually ask not to have their emails shown. So these are only people who made their emails public. But you take this list, open it up, go here on emails, throw a filter, so you can see we have a bunch of emails. I'm going to take out everything that's not blank. So let's filter blanks. I don't need any of these people, so take them all out. So I delete all these guys, so now I only have the guys with emails. I don't need any of these rows. So now I essentially have I already connected either. So now I have a nice little database from people that I'm connected with on LinkedIn. You got your first name, your last name, their email address, the Amazon, the company they're with, and the position. So here I got about 70 something emails. Not bad, right?